You guys, look what I just got in, my double slotted kidney grills and my Burger Motorsports cowl filters. So I'm finna go and do that DIY right now for you guys. So let's get right into this video.
I get a pack, I get it back, came from the rags to riches. Hop in the Jag, doing a dash, you know that I had to get it. If you my dog, then you my dog forever.
Let me show you guys what one of them looks like. So I have a black car. It's gonna look amazing. Let's get right into this. So you guys, one reason I wanted to change this out, I have a all black car, you know, LCI 09 BMW, and the chrome looks good. Some people like chrome in their cars. I wish whoever owned it would have just did black. It had 5 previous owners, so nobody decided to change it. I guess they weren't really into sports cars and stuff like that. So me being me, I went ahead and ordered the double slotted. I plan to do the air scoops in the back and maybe a V-bar behind these. So this is a very simple install. So you really don't have to remove the front bumper or anything like that. You want to take this and pull it forward, pop it, and then you take this one as well and pull forward. It's off. After I clean this off, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the new one, and then I'm going to show you how to remove this one. Also, there's another way you can do it. You can take I believe T2, take a T14 to all these, remove your weather stripping, and then that's the other way you can do it. So I just wanted to do it this way. It was like a quick install. It's really fast. So
I get a pack, I get it back, came from the rags to riches. Hop in the Jag, doing a dash, you know that I had to get it. If you my dog, then you my dog forever. We sit in a cell together.
So you guys, tell me what you think. Like the chrome, or do you like the double slotted? Me personally, I love the new look, and I'm gonna go ahead and install the second one.
Got you forever and ever. I get a pack, I get it back, came from the rags to riches. Hop in the Jag, doing a dash, you know that I had to get it. If you my dog, then you my dog forever. We sit in a cell together. I got you forever and ever. She calling my phone, she mad.
My YouTube family, so tell me what y'all think. Is it a go or a no? Leave a comment, leave a like. Tell me what y'all think. And now let's install those cowl filters.
My phone, she mad, cause my new bitch look better than last. Take off in a jet, no cab. It was sometimes I was over my bag. You was mad, I was getting this cash. Hated nigga, you gon' stay in your bag. I was flexing with money that never looked back. Diamond chains, I was dripping in fashion. You on Instagram looking for captions. 30 on me, test me, disappeared like magic. Now I made it, can't say it was capping. New J, got me whipping, no crashing. New J, got me whipping, no crashing. I get a pack, I get it back, came from the rags to riches. Hop in the Jag, doing a dash, you know that I had to get it. If you my dog, then you my dog forever. We sit in a cell together. I got you forever and ever. It was sometimes I had to flex. Some niggas ain't think that I had. Now they mad. Now I sit back, laugh. RP to them niggas that's capping. 4-5, left them all in the passions. Getting this bread, ain't thinking what happened. New shorty got me feeling like Jackson. I get a pack, I get it back. Came from the rags, the riches. Hop in the jag, doing the dash. You know that I had to get it. If you my dog, then you my dog forever. We sit in the cell together. I got you forever and ever. I get a pack, I get it back. Came from the rags, the riches. Hop in the jag, doing the dash. You know that I had to get it. If you my dog, then you my dog forever. We sit in the cell.